What you got? You talking to someone on the phone? Who is it? Who you calling? Who are you talking to? You calling Daddy? Stop licking it. Why you do that? You're so crazy. What's this?
Oh.
That's right.
Oh.
That's right. That's O. Can you show me another one? Where's the B? Clisty, where's the B? Where's the B? And go get it. Go get the B. No. Over this way. Clisty. What'd you find? What is that? Which one is that? Which one is that, baby? Which one is this? What's this? That's not this. What's that? What is that? Which one is this?
Oh.
No, that's not. Oh, that one's the O, yeah. You got the O. Okay, what's this, baby? Which one is this? What's that? You gonna use your lifeline? Call somebody? What'd you find? You love your letters. What do you got? What you got, baby? What you got? What letter is that? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, that's a P. What else have you got? What do you got, baby? Oh, did you have a W? Where's the W? Where's the W? Is it over there? Y'all done with your letters? Oh, okay. What you got? What's that? F? Oh, are you cleaning up now?
Approach the center of floor with caution. Here. Oh. What are we going to do? Here. Attack it. Strong attacks.
What's that? J. What's that? What's that? What is that? What's that, baby?
What the
What letter is that?
No.
You know what that is. That's a J. And that's a, what's that? Bye-bye.